Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. But anyway, today we want to show you how you can remove the seed from a pomegranate in 12 seconds. A lot of people been asking the question how to remove the seed the easiest way, not to mess up your table, not to mess up your working service, not to, you just want to do things neatly, nice and done and dusted. But anyway, hopefully you like this one and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching my cooking show. And we have a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Pomegranate and seed is really good for you. It's a vitamin, and also it's full of enough energy in it. Guys, thank you so much, and hopefully you'll enjoy it, and see you next time. Bye bye. Basically right here, guys, this is a pomegranate right here. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the seed in 12 seconds. First of all, what you need to do is get a sharp knife. Basically I did something like this similar on YouTube before, about 2 years ago, and then I do it in the school. I must say is one of my manager teach me how to do this one, so I say let's share it with the fans. But what you're gonna do is a simple cut around it like this. Lovely. As you can see, there's a round circle come around. All you're gonna do, give it a little twist like this first. And then everything remove just like that. Alright, lovely. Then basically, as you can see, those lovely seed inside of it, and you don't want to mess up your surface, you don't want to mess up your area. So what you're gonna do, as you can see, lovely seed inside of it, really nice. Look at the colors there, beautiful. So what you're gonna do, get a spoon like this right here, or whatever you want to do with what kind of spoon you use at home, you can use. So basically what you're gonna do is simple, just simple, tear it apart like this, but you're not tearing it right away. You're just gonna open it just like this. Lovely. And put it down just like this into your hand, and use the butt of the spoon right here, and the simple beat it like this, less than 6 seconds. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see how quick it is right here, guys. Very easy and simple. You can do this at home, and also you can make a pomegranate drink juice, and also you can make salad. There are so many things you can do with it. It's good for you, and it's good for health, and also there's a lot of benefit in it. So basically you can mix this with a nice lovely lime or some ginger and make a nice lovely drink from it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully we can come with more ideas and more ways to do things at home. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.